Welcome to our 7-day no-sugar, high-protein meal plan video. Are you tired of feeling sluggish after meals? Dream of a life free from sugar crashes? Get ready for a delicious revolution in your kitchen. In this video, we'll guide you through a week of healthy meals designed to cut out sugar and boost your protein intake. We're talking about real food, cooked right, and packed with the nutrients your body needs to thrive. No more limp salads and flavorless tofu. This isn't a fad diet, it's a blueprint for lasting change. We're going to transform your relationship with food, one protein-packed, sugar-free bite at a time. So grab your aprons, sharpen your knives, and let's get cooking. Day 1. And we're starting with a high-protein breakfast that'll kickstart your metabolism and keep sugar cravings at bay. Forget sugary cereals. We're having scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl and whisk them. Season with salt and pepper. Heat a knob of butter in a pan over medium heat. Pour in the eggs and gently fold them with a spatula to create soft, fluffy curds. Wilt a handful of spinach in the pan. Slice up half an avocado. This breakfast is a protein powerhouse, setting you up for a day of energy and focus. It tastes brilliant and will keep you going until lunchtime. Day 2, lunchtime. It's time to take your midday meal to the next level. We're elevating it with a grilled chicken salad that's bursting with flavor and packed with protein. This isn't just any salad, it's a culinary delight that combines the best of taste and nutrition. Imagine juicy, perfectly grilled chicken breast on a bed of crisp mixed greens, complemented by the sweetness of cherry tomatoes and a zesty vinaigrette that ties it all together. Start by pounding the chicken breast to an even thickness. This ensures that it cooks evenly and stays juicy. Next, season the chicken with a blend of salt, pepper, and paprika. These simple spices bring out the natural flavors of the chicken. Grill the chicken to perfection, getting those beautiful grill marks that add a smoky flavor. Meanwhile, prepare your salad base with a mix of fresh greens and halved cherry tomatoes. For the vinaigrette, you'll need olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and a touch of honey. This combination creates a tangy and slightly sweet dressing that enhances the salad's flavors. Once the chicken is grilled, slice it into thin strips. Arrange these succulent pieces on top of your salad and drizzle generously with the homemade vinaigrette. This salad is not just a meal, it's a flavor explosion that will leave you satisfied and energized. The combination of textures and flavors makes every bite a delight. The protein from the chicken and the fresh vegetables provide essential vitamins and minerals, making this salad a powerhouse of nutrition. It's perfect for a healthy, delicious lunch that keeps you going through the day. Plus, it's easy to pack and take with you, whether you're heading to work, school, or just enjoying a day out. This grilled chicken salad is your go-to for a quick, nutritious, and tasty lunch. Share it with a friend or enjoy it solo. This salad is versatile and always a hit. So next time you're thinking about what to have for lunch, remember this grilled chicken salad. It's lunchtime done right. Day 3, dinner time. It's time to treat yourself to a meal that feels like a special occasion, even on a weeknight. We're indulging in a restaurant-quality meal-baked salmon with quinoa and steamed broccoli. This dish is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious, making it a perfect choice for a balanced dinner. Flaky, perfectly cooked salmon, seasoned to perfection. The salmon is the star of the show, with its rich, buttery texture and delicate flavor that melts in your mouth. Paired with fluffy quinoa and vibrant green broccoli, this is a nutritional powerhouse. Quinoa adds a delightful nutty flavor and a satisfying texture, while the broccoli brings a fresh, crisp contrast. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature ensures that the salmon cooks evenly, resulting in a tender and juicy fillet. Choose a skin-on salmon fillet, pat it dry, and place it on a baking sheet. The skin helps to keep the fish moist and adds an extra layer of flavor. Drizzle with olive oil, season with salt, pepper, and lemon juice. The olive oil adds richness, while the lemon juice brightens the flavors and adds a zesty kick. Bake the salmon and prepare the quinoa according to package instructions. Baking the salmon allows it to cook gently, preserving its delicate texture and flavor. Steam the broccoli until tender crisp. Steaming helps to retain the broccoli's vibrant color and nutrients, making it a healthy and delicious side. Plate the salmon with quinoa and broccoli, squeeze extra lemon juice over the salmon. This final touch of lemon juice enhances the overall flavor and adds a refreshing finish. This dinner nourishes your body and delights your taste buds. It's a meal that brings joy and satisfaction, perfect for sharing with loved ones. The salmon provides omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. Quinoa is a complete protein, offering all 9 essential amino acids, and broccoli is packed with vitamins, including vitamin C and K, making this meal a nutritional powerhouse. Set the table, light some candles, and create a cozy atmosphere. This simple yet elegant meal deserves a beautiful presentation. Serve the dinner and gather around the table with your family. Enjoy the laughter, conversation, and the delicious food that brings everyone together. As you take your first bite, savor the combination of flavors and textures. The flaky salmon, the fluffy quinoa, and the tender crisp broccoli create a harmonious balance that is both satisfying and nourishing. By the end of the meal, you'll have empty plates and satisfied smiles all around. This dinner is not just about eating, it's about enjoying the moment and the company of those you love. After dinner, take a moment to clean up and reflect on the wonderful meal you've just enjoyed. The simplicity of the preparation and the richness of the flavors make this dinner a true delight. Remember, this baked salmon with quinoa and steamed broccoli is a recipe you'll want to keep in your rotation. It's easy to make, incredibly healthy, and absolutely delicious. Enjoy! Day 4, and those cravings are starting to rear their ugly heads. We're arming you with a protein-packed treat: Greek yogurt with nuts. Thick, creamy Greek yogurt paired with crunchy nuts. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars. Spoon a generous serving into a bowl. Toast almonds, walnuts, pecans, or cashews lightly in a dry pan. Sprinkle the toasted nuts over the yogurt. Add a drizzle of honey and a sprinkle of cinnamon. This snack is a powerhouse of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. Day 5, and you need a quick and easy lunch. We're making a turkey and avocado wrap that's perfect for busy days. Lean, protein-packed turkey breast, creamy avocado slices, and crisp lettuce in a whole wheat tortilla. Lay out a whole wheat tortilla and spread a thin layer of hummus. Layer on the turkey breast and avocado slices. Add some crunch with a handful of lettuce. Roll up the tortilla tightly, tucking in the sides. Slice the wrap in half on a diagonal. This wrap is a nutritional powerhouse, providing a balance of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Perfect for busy days, keeping you full and satisfied until dinner. Day 6, and you need a quick dinner. It's been a long day, and the last thing you want is to spend hours in the kitchen. But don't worry, we've got you covered with a recipe that's not only quick, but also incredibly delicious and nutritious. We're making a lean beef stir-fry with bell peppers and snap peas. This dish is perfect for those busy weeknights when you need something on the table fast, but still want to eat healthily. Start by slicing lean beef into thin strips. The thinner the strips, the quicker they cook, which is perfect for our speedy dinner. Marinate the beef in a mixture of soy sauce, sesame oil, and cornstarch. This not only adds flavor, but also helps to tenderize the meat, making it juicy and delicious. While the beef is marinating, prepare your vegetables. Slice bell peppers into thin strips and trim the snap peas. The vibrant colors of the bell peppers and the crisp texture of the snap peas add a delightful contrast to the tender beef. Heat a large wok or skillet over high heat. The key to a good stir-fry is high heat, which helps to sear the meat quickly and lock in the flavors. Add a bit of oil to the wok and stir-fry the beef until it's browned and cooked through. This should only take a few minutes. Next, add the bell peppers and snap peas to the wok. Stir-fry them until they are tender crisp. This means they should be cooked but still have a bit of crunch to them, which adds a wonderful texture to the dish. While the vegetables are cooking, whisk together the sauce ingredients. You'll need soy sauce, honey, rice vinegar, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a bit of heat. This sauce is the perfect balance of sweet, salty, and tangy, and it ties all the flavors of the dish together beautifully. Pour the sauce over the beef and vegetables in the wok. Stir-fry everything together until the sauce thickens and coats the beef and vegetables evenly. This should only take a couple of minutes, and you'll know it's ready when the sauce has a nice glossy finish. Serve the stir-fry over steamed brown rice or quinoa. Both options are great sources of complex carbohydrates, which provide sustained energy. Plus, they soak up the delicious sauce, making every bite a flavor explosion. For the finishing touch, garnish your stir-fry with chopped green onions and sesame seeds. The green onions add a fresh, sharp flavor, while the sesame seeds add a bit of crunch and a nutty taste. This stir-fry is a nutritional powerhouse, providing protein from the beef, complex carbohydrates from the rice or quinoa, and essential vitamins from the vegetables. It's quick, easy, and delicious, making it the perfect meal for any busy night. Enjoy your healthy and flavorful dinner. Day 7, you've made it! We're finishing strong with cottage cheese and berries. Cottage cheese is a protein powerhouse, perfect for breakfast. Choose full-fat or low-fat cottage cheese. Spoon a generous serving into a bowl. Add fresh, juicy berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, or blackberries. Sprinkle with chopped walnuts or pecans for crunch. Drizzle with honey for natural sweetness. This breakfast provides a balance of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. Well done! You've completed the 7-day no-sugar, high-protein meal plan. You've ditched sugar cravings and embraced the power of protein. Remember, this isn't just a 7-day challenge. It's a blueprint for a healthier you. Keep experimenting with new recipes and listen to your body. Thanks for watching. We hope this meal plan helps you achieve your health goals. Now go forth and conquer your kitchens.